Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lexi. I'm going to show you guys how I went from looking like this to this. If you're interested in this look, just stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I got it. Okay, for starters, we're going to start off with a freshly clean face. I just washed my face with Dove soap and moisturize it with my rosehip oil. And now I'm going to prime with this Baby Lips primer. And this is just like a go-to. I'm pretty sure a lot of YouTubers use this primer. And I got it from the drugstore. It isn't really expensive at all. And I just like the results it gives. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild brow pencil. This is actually my first time using this pencil in a while. So I was just, testing it out with this tutorial. And I'm just going to take this brow pencil and fill it in. I believe the shade is dark brown. You can get it at Walmart, Walgreens, Target, pretty much anywhere. This is also a drugstore product. And I'm just filling in my brows. Okay, now once I've fully filled in my eyebrow to my liking, I'm just going to take this old spoolie just to blend in the product and spread it out evenly throughout my eyebrows so they don't look like, ratchet or whatever. And then I'm going to go in with my LA Pro concealer in the shade Almond. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's definitely in the shade Almond. And I'm just going to take that concealer to clean up my eyebrows. And I skipped that part of the video. And I'm going straight into the foundation part. And I'm going to take my Fenty foundation, of course, in the shade 400. And I'm going to take a e.l.f. Foundation brush. No, that's not e.l.f. It's actually Wet n Wild. I got it from Walgreens. It was really cheap too. I'm just going to take that brush and blend my foundation evenly throughout my face. And putting that everywhere, making sure I'm getting everything. And taking some more on my forehead just to, gotta take it up to your forehead. Okay, now once I've blended it out with that Wet n Wild brush, I'm going to take this beauty blender. Of course, it's damp, and I'm going to just, blend it out more so it just looks a little more seamless. And then I'm going to go in with that same LA Pro concealer just to highlight my face. And I'm going to reverse contour as well. I'm going to take that beauty blender that still has a little bit of foundation left just to blend it. Okay, now that I've blended out my highlight, I'm going to take this Lori Mercer powder that I got from Sephora. This was not from the drugstore. This was actually kind of expensive, but I do not remember how much I paid for it. But I am taking that with my beauty blender, and I'm just putting it on all the places that I've highlighted just to set that highlight. I forgot to highlight my nose. I'm silly, I know. I couldn't stop dancing. I was listening to music. But it be like that sometimes. Okay, so I'm going to take this powder brush that I got from e.l.f. This is from the drugstore as well. And I'm just going to pat that I cannot even talk. I'm just going to pat that powder in instead of dusting it away because I do have oily skin. And I know this just helps with the oil control throughout the day. And then I'm going to take this Black Radiance contour palette that I've had for a really long time. And I'm just going to go in with that darkest shade with the Real Techniques brush. And I'm just applying it upwards to my cheek. I don't want to apply it downwards just because I don't want it to look like I have a 5 o'clock shadow. And I'm going to contour my jawline just a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with this smaller brush. And I'm just going to contour my nose, you know, so I can look snatched for real. I really could not stop dancing, y'all. I'm telling you. When you listening to your favorite music and you doing makeup, this is bound to happen. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with this Mario Badescu rose water. Rose water. And I'm going to spray my flat highlighter brush that I got from Target. And I'm using this really, really old highlighter that I got from ColourPop. It was a part of the K-pop collection. I'm not sure if they still have that. But yeah, when Karrueche collaborated with ColourPop. Wow, that was a tongue twister. But yeah, when she collaborated with ColourPop and she made highlighters, this was one of them. And I just like this because I feel like it gives me a real natural, subtle glow. And then I'm going to go in with this Revlon Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. And I'm going to apply a small coat to my top lashes, just so it'll make the lash extensions blend in once I apply them. Okay, and then I'm just going to go in with these Kiss lashes. I'm not sure what style they're in, but you can get them from the drugstore. They're pretty cheap as well. And I'm going to use my Dark Duo lash glue. I used to use the blue one, but lately I've just been using the black one. And then I'm going to go in with this NYX. This is just a little lip gloss that I got from Ulta by NYX. I got this a really long time ago also. I don't really use it as much. But this is it. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my oil control setting spray by Urban Decay. And just to set my face. And here we go. This is the finished look, even though I was acting a fool. I wonder what I was listening to here. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys for tuning into my video. If you would like to see more looks like this, just comment, like, and subscribe and tell me what you would like to see next. I'll do any type of video, vlogs, reviews, month-to-month favorites, New Year's resolutions, since it is a new year. You know, just let me know what you guys want to see. And thank you again for tuning in.